Alright, so as you guys can tell from the title of the video, we're going to be adding our first Glock in the collection. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen the Glock unboxing before, but if you haven't, we're going to go ahead and unbox this Glock for you guys here and get into some stuff we're going to do to it today. So inside the box, we got 3 15-round mags. The gun is clear. It is chambered in 9mm. I've already loaded a mag there. So we got 3 mags, back strap, bristle brush, and then we got the lock, the manual. So today, man, it's not just going to be an unboxing. We're going to be actually setting some attachments on this Glock. So I think what I'm going to do is I want to add one of those back straps, and then I also, when I went inside the store, I already knew which Glock I was going to get, so I ordered some grips for it already. So we're going to be installing these grips. Going to add the back strap. If y'all seen the other video, we had the O-light on the other gun. I think it'll look better on this one because it's black. Even though I might end up ordering a TL1, I think that's what it's called. I'm going to end up ordering one of those for shorter because I feel like it's a little long up there. So I might buy another light to get it flush with that. But yeah, let's get into it, man. Came with the alcohol pad just to wipe it all down. So let's go ahead and wipe it down and then install it on. I know it's not going in there, but just look a little dusty. So wiping it down. Let that dry for a little bit. Alright, so I got to start it a little bit. We're just going to take that and then just add it in. Line it up. I'm not gonna push it down, but just place it to make sure it's where I want it. Just make sure it's on this perfect like this. So I think that's good. Slide it down a little bit like that. Make sure that grip is not get it caught up right there. I'm trying to press it down too much so it don't really stick. I think that is fine. So alright. So we got it laid. I think it looks pretty good. I think that's laid up there like pretty decent. It's gonna come around. I'm gonna bring it around town. Alright. I think that's like that pretty decent as well. Okay, on the bottom, not too bad. Alright, it'll just look like that, but just to be sure. There's like a lot of space though on this. I don't think I would get it any better. Let's see. Oh, it is. See, it's not. It's off a little bit right there at the bottom. We'll try it. Let's see. Take that out. Like that. Take that out. And then down. There you go. That's a little better. Yep. There you go, right there. That's exactly what I need you to do on it. Alright, one less to do. Let's grab some of that though, but that side look real good. This side a little, I feel like it's a little off, but I feel like it's decent. I feel like that's gonna be good right there though. Fix. Little blow dryer. A little squeeze. Alright, that's how that's looking with that. That's great. Open up that screen. Press it down. I'll go dry a little bit. Yeah, feels pretty good though. And then this is light. Light. That's how we look with the O light on it. No, that looks pretty fire. No, that looks fire. I like that. Let's see. Let's go look at that shit out there. think I'm gonna take. Hold on. A little bit more. I think that's fine right there. So that's how it look on the back. All the way around. That's how we're looking. That's how we're looking. If you made it this far in the video, man, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. It's very much appreciated. So to put the beaver tail on, we're gonna take out this little pin right here. This tool came with the Glock. Push that pin out. Let's see, put this ass up there. Let's see. Let's take that. Put it right there. That's almost straight in.